Do the boring stuff. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. Alright, I know that's a weird title, so let me unpack that for a minute. So I've had a very interesting couple of weeks, and when you start to get older, you start to understand why you did things. You knew that they worked. So where I'm going with this, do the boring stuff. So, all right, I happened to go home a couple weeks ago and was helping my parents. And I can't remember, it may have actually been after, but I got to spend a lot more time with both my mom and my dad. And it was either on the way back or there or when, but a boring day. And I used to, when I was back in my old life and my old job, the boring. So, all right, hang in there with me. If you do the boring stuff and you get so good at doing the boring stuff, it frees your mind to actually solve other problems. So this stuff right here that we're doing with machine learning, it's monotonous. It's a little boring. It's not exciting. We're not doing anything exciting yet. And that's just, I was going to do a whole other video of us taking our data with the flowers, and I read an interesting piece and I wanted to do it. But this is more important, because get good at making yourself do the boring stuff, because you want to get good at doing the boring stuff to free up your mind to solve what I'm going to call bigger problems, real problems. And then what happens is the boring stuff removes inconsistencies, it removes stress, and everything else begins to flow, and it removes peaks and valleys. If you've not heard me talk about peaks and valleys, that is unbelievably important for any growth and development. Think about a plane going up and down and up and down and up and down. You're burning so much fuel going up and you're gaining speed going down, but then you got to climb back up and you're not doing anything. You're just fixing something that went wrong or doing something else. So consistency, doing the boring stuff, and I promise you on the other side of that is development, learning yourself, learning a deeper understanding of things you're already doing, and then you can extrapolate, and you've heard me use that word, extrapolate. And you're able to pass those lessons on to other things. So just solved a very interesting problem, and I wasn't searching properly. I wasn't understanding. I wasn't doing the boring stuff of thinking about what the problem was. I was trying to solve something that was not there. I was trying to solve something else. So, and then I was about to go in and fix this on 6 different screens. And I went, well, wait a minute. Why don't I change it as it goes in? And there we go. So there we go, guys. Real quick lesson from an old guy today, but do the boring stuff. Get good at doing the boring stuff. Get comfortable with doing the boring stuff. And I promise all these other little things, that get good at the things that you don't want to do or you don't think are important, because they're really important. I promise you they're really important. All right. Focus on counterintuitiveness and the boring stuff. And I promise a lot of things will start to fall into place. All right, we'll pick back up on, that should be Monday. Have a very cool lesson of how we're going to use some min and max and find the actual length differential between the pedals. It was super cool when I read about this. All right, there we go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Make sure you're jumping over to the Discord server. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here, or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.